Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss Mathematics Syllabus BP1 4024/12 May June 2019. It's 2-hour paper. Calculator is not allowed. Okay. So first question is 4 over 7 divided by 5 over 8. So you can write it 4 over 7. Division sign will be changed. It will become 8 over 5. Then numerator multiply with numerator. 8 into 4 is 32. And denominator will be multiplied with denominator. 7 into 5 is 35. So final answer is 32 or 35 because we can't simplify it. Okay. Then we have in B part evaluate under root 64 and cube root of 125. Then it's mean we can write 64 as 8 square whole square root. Then 5 cube is 125 in cube root. We know that square cancel with square root. It means 8 is here and cube is cut with cube root. It's mean 5. So 8 minus 5 is your final answer is 3. Then you have a locus. Construct the locus of these points inside quadrilateral and ABCD that are equidistant from AB and BC. For locus, you know 4 things have been used. A locus of a single point locus, I'm writing this for your understanding. Single point locus mean to make circle on a single point. Locus of line, locus of 2 points, it's mean A and B, so it's mean to write perpendicular on AB. And third is locus of line, locus of AB and BC, it's mean to draw locus AB and BC. It's mean we have to draw perpendicular bisector of a angle. We will make with we will curve with compass. Then we will cut with 2 curves and draw perpendicular bisector of a angle. It's a locus of AB and BC. When 2 lines, locus between 2 lines. It's mean to draw angle bisector of 2 lines. Fourth is locus from AB 4 centimeter. AB 4 centimeter. It's mean if AB is 4 centimeter, then 4 centimeter it can be upside 4 centimeter with 90 degree. It can be 90 degree downside. Okay, this is locus. This is also called parallel locus. Also, in this question we have to find AB and BC locus. AB and BC, we know that common angle is B. We will make angle here with compass. So we'll point compass here and we'll draw single line, single curve here. We'll point compass here. We'll draw other line here. Where they will cut, I will join them with a straight line. This is a locus of AB and BC. This is your final answer for question B. Then for question C, you have to find out, given the height of the water in a river is recorded every week for 10 weeks. The height of the water compared with its normal level are given listed below. Work out the range. What is range? Range mean xm, which is maximum number, minus x naught, which represent minimum number. Maximum number is 40 and minimum number is 45. So minus 45. So 40 plus 45, this will become 85. That's the final answer. Okay, calculate the mean. In B part, we have to find mean. Mean is sigma x over n, sum of all values divided by number of values. So add minus values first and then positive values and then add them. This will become minus 140 negative plus 90 positive. This is sum is go to sum x. So sum is minus 50. So place in the formula. Mean is sigma x over n. Mean is sigma x over, and sigma x is minus 50 over n. N is number of values. It's 10 weeks. So divided by 10. Final answer will be minus 5. Clear? Okay. Then by writing each the number correct to one significant figure, estimate the value of this 71.8. 71, 7 and 1 does not support 7 because value first significant number is 7, second is 1. If second number is greater than 5, then it will plus 1 in left number, but it is 1, this will not support, so we can write it in 70. 32, 3 is first significant figure, 2 will not support it, it means this will become 30. Then it's divided by 0.19. 1 is first significant figure always start with whole numbers. A 0 before whole number doesn't count as a significant number. 9 support 1 because 9 is greater than 5, so this will become 0.2. It's square, so 0.2 square. So 70 minus 30 is 40 divided by 0.2 square. We can write it in this form: 40 divided by 0.2 square. Okay. Then 40, 0.2 square is 0.04 divided by 0.04. It can be written as, we can multiply it, change the sign of this. Here is, we can eliminate the point, this will become over 100. If we flip the point, this will become 100 over 4, and we can simplify it. 4 tens are 40, 10 into 1, 1000 is your final answer. Okay, in question 5, lamps are made in a factory. A random sample of 50 lamps is tested and 4 of them are found to be faulty. A total of 4000 lamps has been made. Out of 50, 4 lamps has been found faulty. It's mean 4 over 50 is the fraction of faulty. Then total number is 4000 multiply with 4000. 0 will be cancelled with 0 and 5 will be cancelled with 80. 80 times 4 is 320. 320 lamps are faulty according to this sample. Okay. Now I am moving toward question 6. Daniel earns 760 each month. He pays 15% of his earning as a tax in the tax. 15% of his earning as a tax. Then calculate the amount of money Daniel has each month after paying tax. So first we have to find tax. So 760 into 15%. 15% of 760 we will take. This is tax. So tax is, we can simplify it. This will become tax 114. 0 will be cancelled with 0 and then we will simplify it. This will become 1140 divided by 10 is 114. So tax is 114. So we have to find earning. Calculate amount of money Daniel has each month. So Daniel income after tax, income after tax will be equal to earning minus tax. So earning is 760 minus tax is 114. So your final answer will be 646. In question B part, Daniel invests 1200 in saving account. The accounts pays simple interest at a rate of 2% per year, 2% per year. So calculate the amount of money after 6 years. So principal amount which he has invested, original amount, principal is 1200, rate is 2%, time is 6 years, time is in year, percentage is rate is in year, so we don't have to change time. So the formula for interest is PRT over 100. These things are given. So interest formula is PRT over 100. It means P is 1200, R is 2%, and time is 6 years. Remember one thing, over 100 is R percentage. When percentage eliminated, over 100, we write over 100. We can simplify it. 2 zeros cancel with 2 zeros. 6 2s are 12, 12 12s are 144. So interest is 144. We have to calculate money amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. He has invested 1200 and he has earned 144 as interest. So after 2 years, his earning will be, his total income, his total amount will be principal 1200 plus interest is 144. So this will become 1344, which is your final answer. Okay, find fraction exactly half between these 2 points, 3 over 5 and 3 over 4. We have to find exactly half between them. So first we have to add them and then divided by 2. So this will become 3 over 5 plus 3 over 4 divided by 2. Divided by 2, I can write it in this form, divided by 2. This will become more easy. So we have to find LCM here. Mark. Okay, I will multiply with 4 and 4 here and 5 and 5 here. I will multiply with this denominator with here and this denominator with here and here as a. So this will become 12 over 20 plus 15 over 20 divided by 2. Okay, then 12 plus 15 over 20, LCM will be 20. LCM will be 20. 12 plus 15 over 2. So 12 plus 15 is 27. 27 by 20 divided by 2. Division sign can be written, we can write as the denominator as 1. Division sign will change into multiplication and this will be flipped. This will become 1 over 2. So 27 numerator multiply with numerator and denominator will be multiplied with the denominator. 27 into 1 is 27. 20 into 2 is 40. So 27 over 40 is your final answer. Clear? Then I am moving toward question 8. So a drink is made by mixing a fruit juice and water juice in ratio of 3:5. The drink is made using 2 liters of water. 2 liters of water. So a drink is made with 2 gradients, fruit juice and water. So I am representing fruit juice with F and water with W. Water with W. So ratio of fruit ratio water is 3:5. So first we have to take sum of ratio. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So sum of ratio is 8. Then the drink is made using 2 liters of water juice. Water juice is given, we will use the ratio of water which is 5. So 5 over 8 into total is not given. We have water juice 2 liter. We have water juice as 2 liter. First we will find in liter and then we can change in millimeter because we have to give them in millimeter. First we are finding total. So 8 will multiply here, 5 multiply here, so this will become 5t is equal to 16. 5 is multiplying here, we divide on other side, so total is 16 over 5. This is total mixture, total of total drink volume, total number of liter in a drink. Then we are finding, we have to find the fruit juice. Fruit juice ratio is 3 over 5, 3 over 8, sum of ratio is 8 into total is 16 over 5, which will be equal to fruit juice, which will be equal to fruit juice. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 3 twos are 6, 6 over 5. This will become 6 over 5 fruit juice. So 6 over 5 is equal to 1.2 liters, 1.2 liters. So we will change them into milliliter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 ml, 1000 ml. We will, when we are going from larger to smaller, we will multiply. So 1.2 into 1000 will become 1200 ml is already given. Okay, so a start. Okay, in question 9, a car start a journey from rest. It moves with a constant acceleration of 20 seconds until it reaches at a speed of 15 meter per second, and then move at a constant speed of 15 meter per second for 40 seconds. On the grid, draw the speed time graph for the car journey. Okay, first 20 second, it's reached until 20 second until it reach a speed of 15. So first 20 second we have 5, 15 and 25 here. So 5 is gap. So first 20 second he has to reach speed of 15 with constant with acceleration this will become like first 20 second. This is your line, this is your line. I don't have a ruler this time, so please place the value in straight form. Okay, then after 15 it then move at a constant speed of 15 meter per second for 40 seconds. Next 40 second will be 20 to 14. 20 plus 40 is 60 seconds. Next 40 second it is moving with constant speed of 15 meter per second. So this will move in this line. This is your graph of speed time graph for this part. Okay, now you have to find the calculate the acceleration for the car in first 20 seconds of the journey. So we have to find acceleration of first 20 seconds. So acceleration is equal to rise over run. We can write it in this form. Okay, so rise is, if we look at rise, it's mean the rise is 15, rise is 15 over run is this is run, so run is 20. So 15 over 20 will be equal to 3 over 4, and we can further simplify it and write as 0.75 meter per second.